How to knit bobble stitch. There are a variety of ways to knit bobble stitches. In this video, we'll show you one of those methods. Always read your pattern carefully to ensure you work the bobble stitch required for your project. For example, some bobble stitches require more stitches and are bulkier than others. Bobble stitches are usually abbreviated to MB in patterns, make bobble. In this example, we'll MB using 5 stitches. When you've reached the MB in your pattern, work 5 stitches into the next 1 stitch. Knit a stitch, purl a stitch, knit another stitch, purl another, and finally knit the 5th stitch, all into the same stitch. Next, turn your work and knit back across these 5 stitches. Turn your work again and knit these 5 stitches. Now carefully slip the first 4 stitches of the bobble over the stitch closest to the tip of your right hand needle. You have now completed your bobble stitch and can continue knitting your row. Let's work one more bobble stitch together. When you reach the next MB in your pattern, work the following 5 stitches into the next 1 stitch. Knit, purl, knit, purl, and knit all into the same stitch. turn your work and knit 5 stitches. Turn your work again and knit 5 stitches. Now, slip the first 4 stitches of the bobble over the stitch closest to the right hand needle tip. You have now completed your second bobble stitch. Top tip: if your bobble wants to pop out on the back of your fabric, you can gently push it through to the front of your project. You can now knit bobble stitches.